All right, and now I guess we're going to try out some Vegemite here. What are you on the camera for?
I can record you doing it. Now you're gonna point it at me.
See, that just looks. It looks like It looks like animal shit. And you can't. It looks like somebody wiped their ass on the bread.
It's because you just did.
I'm not even gonna cover the bread in. I'm just gonna like fold it and take a bite. And if it doesn't taste horrible enough, I'll just go for a full, like a bit of a knife full.
I told you it was bad.
God. Oh my god, what the fuck? Why the fuck do people like that?
I told you it was bad.
Ah,
You can't get the taste out for a while either.
it's stuck in my teeth. I think I'm gonna vomit actually. Ah, fuck you, Kraft. God, I'm like just spitting it now. Ah. How are they still making it? Why do they still make it? Who is eating this? And why are they eating this?
The loyal customers of Kraft.
Fuck those people. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with that. That was horrible. It's kind of bad when the dick tasted better.
Because dick always tastes better.
Spit that all over the counter. It's like that just... Oh, God. I don't get what is wrong with people. That's not right at all. I mean, when your food looks like somebody wiped their ass on your bread, that's probably not the best sign at all. Alright, go ahead and turn it off.